Hey campers, Sean the camera guy and I have found spring finally, but more importantly, we have found Campin Erin. How are you?
I'm good. I'm so glad you're here.
I'm so glad that we are here in Southern Virginia at your campsite.
My campsite.
Making some of your recipes.
Yes.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yes.
What are we gonna make on today's episode of Camp Griddle More?
We are gonna make Johnny cakes with a strawberry topping.
All right. Let's get camping and let's get cooking. Campin Erin, we stopped at your local Kroger and Sean and I were like amazed at how gigantic and huge it was. It was awesome. Nice. And you asked for a certain type of cornbread mix. So Sean and I, of course, were going to listen to your directions on that. But as we were reaching for it, this sweet little old lady with her southern accent said, "Excuse me, boys, I think you should use the Krusteaz. It's much better." And of course we had to listen. So
say no.
Are you okay with that?
I'm
we
okay
deviated.
with that. Yes.
I was thinking this could be Campin Erin's mother or grandmother or something. We have got to listen to her. Okay, so let's get started with our strawberry topping.
Yes. All right, we're gonna start by cutting up some strawberries. Then we're gonna put our pot right on the griddle, dump those strawberries in. Then we're just gonna put in some water, some sugar, and vanilla.
And we're on high heat at this point?
Yes.
Okay. Campin Erin, big decision. Do you want to go with the Krusteaz honey cornbread or the Krusteaz sweet cornbread mix? It's on you.
Ooh.
This is a big decision.
That is a hard decision.
This is a big decision.
How different are they?
I don't know.
Well,
one has honey and one doesn't.
I say it's sweet.
You want to go sweet? Okay, we're going to go.
We're putting a sweet topping on it.
We're in Campin Erin's. We're at her campsite. Okay, we're at her campsite. We're going to go with the sweet. For once in my life, I'm actually going to follow the directions on the box, and that worked out perfectly this time. 2/3 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1 egg. You might want to add a little bit of extra milk, but it was fine for us. All right, now Campin Erin is gonna smash down our strawberry topping, and then we're gonna take that off and set it to the side. And our griddle is ripping hot at this point, so we do need to cool this down before we get the Johnny cakes on top. You might wanna spray a little bit of water on it to get that temp down so you don't burn your Johnny cakes, because that would be tragic.
Make sure to be careful with these. They are a little extra fragile, more so than pancakes. You might even need a little teamwork on the flipping.
But teamwork makes the dream work, or
did,
maybe it
almost.
doesn't. All right, we've got our Johnny cakes down.
Yeah.
We're on low controlled heat, so we can chat a little.
Okay.
I gotta know, what's your all-time favorite Blackstone camping griddle? What's your go-to?
The one that we keep in the camper, besides this one at our campsite, is the one with the hood. This 22-inch with the hood.
Blackstone 22-inch with hood, all-time favorite Blackstone?
Favorite.
Okay. This one is actually my all-time favorite without the hood, because I'll just do a basting dome.
I love the hood when I want to melt. Yeah, then I don't have to bring the basting dome with me anymore. I can just close the hood.
The hood is great for like melting cheese. Whatever.
Yes.
You heard it from Campin Erin. All right, our Johnny cakes are cooked to perfection, and they are ready to come off the griddle and onto the cutting board. Erin, will you do the honors and pour on the strawberry topping?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, Campin Erin's Johnny cakes with strawberry topping.
I'm
Let's dive in
excited.
and take a bite. Cheers. You start from that side, I'll start from this side.
Okay, I want to bite with lots of the strawberries.
Okay. And I'm gonna have 4 of them and you can have those too, if that's okay. Oh, you're going lots of strawberry?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Uh-huh.
Crispy edges. Mm-hmm. It's all about buttery, crispy edges.
And the strawberries are like perfectly sweet.
They came together so nice.
It really did.
So nice for this like first day of spring too.
That's what it feels like.
This is wonderful. And I honestly think that I like this better than cornbread.
Yeah.
Because of the butteriness, because of the crispiness. I think Campin Erin for the win today with this recipe. Delish. Mm-hmm. Now you were saying that maybe you could do any kind of fruit really and do it the same way.
Like anything that you have with you or you want to take with you. Blueberries in the fall, like the apple cinnamon flavor. I mean, that's good all the time, but fall especially.
While I have you, and since spring is in the air, like where are you going on your first RV trip?
Oh, we're going next weekend. We're going to James River State Park in Virginia. It's one of our favorites and it's close to home. And we've got a mix of state parks and the RV resorts this summer. It's kind of fun to switch it up both ways.
What's on the menu?
Like what places?
Like what are you making at James River State Park?
I don't know. I never plan until like 2 days before because I'm a procrastinator. But
I'm sure it'll be delicious.
We're camping with friends, so stuff that feeds a crowd is always, you know.
When are we camping together?
When are we camping
when do I
together?
get the invite, Campin Erin?
I don't know.
We'll meet somewhere halfway.
I know.
Top of Shenandoah National Park.
Deal.
Let's do it. Not too sweet either. Like
Right.
my wife Stephanie would love this because it's not too sweet. You put
Yes.
just the right amount of sugar in there.
And it's not rich, like, yeah.
Yeah, not super rich. It feels like kind of light, like we could go for a hike after eating it. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining us for this week's episode of Camp Griddle More. Huge thank you to Campin Erin, who is incredible to follow. All kinds of great gear reviews, all kinds of Blackstone recipes, all kinds of campground reviews. Love following your content. Thank you for having us.
Thanks
at
for
your
coming to my campsite.
Let's do it again. We will see all of you right here next week on Camp Griddle More.